Oh yeah, on. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I'm on. No way. That's sick. Alright, welcome back to another adventure. Abby and I headed up to the Gold Coast for a couple of days. It's currently, what is it, 20 past 9. We got on the road at, what was it, 5:30 this morning, just after 5:30. Yeah, so we've been on the road for, what's that, 4 hours? No, yeah, not quite 4 hours. And we've got 3 hours and 50 minutes to go. But we're going to take the scenic way when we get up to near the Gold Coast. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover for this section. We just spent 7 hours in the car and there was heaps of people around, so I didn't really feel like talking too much. We just arrived in Burleigh Heads, jumped out of the car, had some lunch, and we had about an hour and a half to kill before check-in was open at our hotel. So I decided to have a few casts here. This is Tullabudgera Creek, hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And unfortunately I wasn't able to catch anything here, but I decided to stop at one more spot on the way to the hotel. Bean sharky, 3-inch prawn in motor oil. We'll give him a go. Should be a, yeah. If this doesn't get hit, I don't know what will. Oh, that was a fish, I think. That was 100% a fish. Oh, it's a stingray. Probably can't see it, but there's this big stingray just sitting there. So there is life, that's good. Oh, one more cast and we're going to roll it in. If we don't get anything, yeah, little toadies. Okay, righto. Well, we made it to our accommodation, we checked in, did a little bit of fishing while we waited for our room to come available, but I didn't catch anything. Now we're just going to hang out. We might do some adventuring tomorrow, go for a walk, do some fishing. We'll see. But until then, we will catch you then, or if anything interesting happens. In the morning, Abby and I decided to go for a walk through the Burleigh Heads National Park, where we stopped at the Tum Kun lookout. While at the lookout, I managed to spot a school of fish in the surf, so I decided to go and investigate. Oh yeah, they're there. Alright, time to go. Oh, another school song. Good afternoon. We went and got some breakfast, then we walked out to Burleigh Heads National Park. There's like a loop that we did, pretty cool. Saw some whales, saw some planes, saw some fish, and now we've got some chippies. And we're doing a bit of plane spotting. You won't be able to see it, but there's a plane taxiing and about to take off. Probably going to do a bit of fishing on our way back to the room before we chill for the afternoon. So no fish yet, but not for a lack of trying. So anyway, that's a bit of an update. Oh, I don't know how this is going to go, but anyway. Couple of nice snapper frames. Oh, I think that was a fish. Oh yeah, on. Finally. Oh, that's a nice fatty. Yes. Yes. I am. First fish for the Gold Coast trip. Nice little flatty. Right. Another fish, a little baby flathead, I'd say. Yeah. Oh, and he's back in the water. He's sitting. Alrighty, we're back from our adventures. Last time you saw us, we were having lunch, and then I did some fishing on the way home. Stopped at Tullabudgera Creek, and it was just on low tide, so I waded out to the edge of the drop-off and managed to pick up 2 nice little flathead. We will probably catch up with you in the morning once we've had some breakfast and see what adventures we get up to tomorrow. Alright, welcome back to day 2 of our Gold Coast fishing adventures. Today I'm going to try and do a Google Maps fishing challenge, so using Google Maps to find some fishing spots. I'll show you my phone. If you just search fishing spots and then hit search, brings up a heap of options nearby. So I'm just going to go to the closest one. We drove past this park yesterday and it looked pretty fishy. This dam I've heard about. Yeah, let's give the dam a go. Righto. 40 minutes. Righto. I'll see you when we get there. No idea what to expect here. I've just got what I had already tied on. Semi-clear, so we're just going to throw what I've already got. Oh, it's windy. I need to probably put the wind protector on. There's a fish right there. 2 fish right there. Ludric. No? Oh, wow. Seeing heaps of fish, but I don't know what they want to take. What the dog gonna... Oh, I'm on. No way. No fucking way. It actually worked. What the f***? Abs. What the f***? No way that actually worked. Yoo-hoo-hoo! That is a nice fish. And that came on a little walk the dog. Wow. That was ridiculous. That was my first cast with a walk the dog. And I just took it. That is insane. Getting back in the water. There you go, buddy. Off you go. Go on. That's sick. There's a fish behind it. He's going for it. They're going for it. Did you see that? Had my opportunity. Oh, this is hard. Cool, but hard. Stay with that. Oh, get it. Got him. Bream number 2 on the little spotted dog. Very, very cool. Very happy. Fish. I'll get him back in the water. There you go, little buddy. Yes. 2 fish is good enough, I think. Mullet. Oh, they'd be nice bait. I'll give you a push if you want. That's all right. You'll have to go a bit to the right. Alright, last cast. And then I'm going back to the car. Back at the hotel room now. We've got one more night here and then we're going to head home early tomorrow. So it was a good day. Managed to find some spots myself. And catch a couple bream on top water too, which is something I hadn't done before, so that was pretty special. Couldn't catch a flathead this afternoon, I think there was too much boat traffic, but anyway, that was a bit of fun. So anyway, I think that's all I've got for this episode. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Cheers.